Essential programming languages for ethical hackers.
The ethical hacking relies on a deep understanding of how computer systems work. One of the most important skills for ethical hackers is knowing which programming languages to learn. Mastering the right languages allows you to analyze software, identify vulnerabilities, and create tools for testing system security.
Python, the versatile powerhouse.
Python is widely favored by ethical hackers for its simplicity and versatility. Its vast library ecosystem lets you automate tasks, analyze network traffic, and build hacking tools quickly. Python's readability also makes it ideal for beginners and experts alike, and it's often used in penetration testing frameworks like Scapy and Metasploit.
C and C++, understanding system fundamentals.
Learning C and C++ is essential for those who want to dive deeper into system-level programming. These languages help you understand how operating systems and memory management work. Ethical hackers use C and C++ to analyze and exploit vulnerabilities, reverse engineer malware, and even write custom exploits.
JavaScript, web application hacking.
Dominates the web, making it vital for ethical hackers focusing on web application security. Knowing JavaScript allows you to understand how websites function, identify vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, and create effective testing scripts. It's a must-learn for anyone aiming to secure or test modern web platforms.
Bash and PowerShell, scripting and automation.
Command-line scripting with Bash for Linux or PowerShell for Windows is key for automating repetitive tasks and managing systems during penetration tests. These languages help ethical hackers navigate, manipulate files, and automate security testing, making daily workflows faster and more efficient.
How to start learning these languages?
Begin by choosing one language relevant to your interests or target systems. Free online tutorials, open source projects, and ethical hacking courses are great ways to practice. Building small tools, participating in Capture the Flag challenges, and studying real-world vulnerabilities will help reinforce your programming skills and hacking knowledge.